Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on If I Were a Bird. If I were a bird, I would spread my wings wide and soar up into the blue sky. Every morning I had sing melodious songs to greet the rising sun. I had built a cozy nest high up in a tree away from all dangers. As a bird, I had traveled to different places seeing the world's beauty from above. During the day, I had played with my fellow birds, chasing each other in the sky. Finding food would be an adventure, hopping from branch to branch looking for worms and insects. I had feel the raindrops on my feathers and dance in the joy of a fresh downpour. In the evening, I had watched the sunset painting the sky with its golden hues. At night, under the starry sky, I had dreamed of all the places I would visit the next day. Being a bird would be magical, but I had also remembered to cherish my life as a human.